my gosh, this road is bad. Looks like a perfectly good gas can. Ooh. So our adventure here starts off in the desert, but a bit of backstory. So my buddy called me because he sheared off a ball joint in his truck. He was trying to save a stuck U-Haul driver. This U-Haul driver was stuck in the desert. He was trying to turn around because of the I-15 shutdown due to the truck towing the lithium battery flipping over and blocking the northbound lanes. Well, this is our adventure of getting out to him, trying to save him, and let me tell you, it was an adventure, and one really late night. I think we actually got to the dirt road at 1 a.m., and we didn't get to him until 3 a.m. This is going to be a long 10 miles. So it's like 1 a.m., 1:10 a.m. I think we're halfway there. What do you think, Nick? Halfway, yeah. Whoa! I had to take a break for a minute, little restroom stop, admire the stars and all the traffic probably wondering what we're doing going northbound on the 15 with the truck and trailer through the desert. Oh, it's funny, they're the only ones out here doing this. We're coming. Oh, looks like a perfectly good gas can. All right, throw it in the back. Now, one might think we're sitting here in 4 low creeping along. In fact, we're in 4 high, and what you're hearing is the tires spinning. This was the softest sand I've touched in a long time. The truck did it, but any softer and we would have been stuck. That's right, Dodge. You did good. You did real good. That was kind of hairy for a minute. That was really deep. Oh. Well, Nick, we got here. Yeah. It's only 2:40 in the morning.
I know.
But we got here.
Takes an hour to get through that shit.
Yeah, like an hour and a half. That was rough. All right, let's go see how bad the truck is.
Alright, come back to your driver. Hold it right there. See if we can stop it. Bring it to the passenger side. See if it'll turn. Hold. That was extremely tasteful.
He said it is what it is. He's like, yeah, I know it's an issue. I should have reinforced the spindle. And I was like,
That's what ball joint spacers get you.
yeah, dude, this is a street princess now. It can't really do anything.
That spindle is all good. Yummy. Oh,
Yeah.
I guess there's not a spacer on there.
That's where it broke.
Yeah.
Dude, I got a pocket full of electrical tape. I should have taped this shit together.
I mean, you still can. I've got a pocket full of electrical tape.
I got a pocket.
Flashlight, I'll try to hold it for you so you can do whatever you gotta do. Golden.
That's where she be right there.
There you go, Mark. Nice big old flashlight right there. Yeah, I've been holding out this whole time. We're all like, we could use some light.
That's got a bottom button. That's not an O light.
It is.
Oh, is it?
It is.
I love it.
Probably doesn't look like it's down.
Start coming, driver. Or passenger, sorry. Passenger a little more. Too much.
Now I gotta go get my override.
You hear that? He's got to compete with your flashlight. How does that make you feel?
Well, you know, pretty good, right?
Yeah.
When you guys go back, grab something else, right?
A fence post.
How'd you get involved in this, Mark?
So we got this phone call, right?
Someone said they tried to save a U-Haul truck and then broke their truck doing it.
How do you feel about it?
Tired.
Well, it's 3 o'clock in the morning.
It's only 3. What else were you planning on doing?
Sleeping.
That's 9 hours down the drain.
Well, it's funny because I just got back into town and Mark's like, "Hey, how's it going?" He's like, "Here's like, so you want to go save
That'd be
something?"
great. Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. My license plate.
Come
All right,
on,
let's all
Brandon.
stop. We got to redo this.
Reset.
Back it off.
Cut.
Winch it off the back.
We'll edit that out.
Oh yeah, I actually get my jack back.
Straighten the wheel out a little bit. There you go.
That's my problem. Because I got rid of the street bike, kept the dirt bike.
You guys got onboard air?
I think he does.
Or I have a compressor if someone can pull close. It's just a lot of.
Hey, Brandon. Brandon. We need Derek. We're at tires on the trailer.
Double check. Make sure everybody's.
Well, we made it home without any issues. We got home about 6:30 in the morning, and that was a pretty long day. So when we rolled in, we just parked the truck and hopped out and fell asleep for about 3 hours. We're gonna unload the truck, but my strapping job did way better than I thought it was going to. I could only strap it, you know, certain ways with it being a Toyota. So I just went over the tire here, put some lateral load there. So we strapped everything together here just to kind of keep the spindle in this whole unit from moving so we could slide it on the deck of the trailer using the wood. This worked out really well. We put a strap here just to control this, make sure this was tight to the deck. That worked quite well. And because the truck is so long, my trailer isn't, I went through the tires and had to cross over and strap to my welded D-rings on the back. I don't have anything down here. I probably should add something down here. That would fix part of that problem. I am very glad that I carried 2 sets of straps for tying vehicles down. Also, one of the unsung heroes of the night was my little Harbor Freight winch here that I have built and mounted to the trailer, along with my solar panel system that I put in the trailer, because there's a battery in here and the panel and the charge controller and all the stuff. So the winch had full power all night long while we were working to get this thing on the trailer. We didn't once have to worry about running out of power or filling with batteries. That was a very good mod I did probably about a year ago, and it's been wonderful. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. We're going to take the truck over to the owner here in a little bit after we rest for a little bit longer. I've had 3 hours of sleep in the past, I don't know, 30 hours. So this was a long one, but we got it all home in one piece. We're going to take it over to the owner and just get it off the bed nicely, get off the trailer nicely, and let them figure out what they want to do with it. But we did a pretty good job, and the sliding of the wood on the knuckle did a great job and preserved my trailer bed, so I didn't have a whole bunch of damage going on under here.